Hello everyone and welcome to my little paint with me video. So go clean off your palette, sketch something nice, and paint with me. Today I'm showing you the process of a really fun bird painting that I recently did. I got the idea to paint a chaffinch, which is the most common finch in Europe, from my friend Laura, who goes by Moss and Marcella on Instagram, because she actually photographed a super beautiful female chaffinch and was just nice enough to let me use her photos for reference. So she's so talented, and her photography has been really inspiring for me, and I just want to paint so many things from her world and her photos. You know, she lives so far away, and so the wildlife is really different from here. So if you don't know who she is, you should definitely go check her out. She also does watercolor paintings and loves fungi, if you couldn't tell. So whenever she photographed this bird, she saw that there was just patches of bluebell flowers everywhere in the forest, and so it took me a while to figure out and sketch what I wanted the bird to be resting on, but it finally just hit me that I was like, oh duh, it should be bluebells, because Laura told me that she was just surrounded by all of these flowers. And so yeah, that's kind of how it happened. I was sketching sticks and various limbs, trying to figure out the footing for the bird, and I just couldn't get it right. And then I was like, oh, a bluebell stem and bluebell flowers, that's just gonna be perfect. I don't paint birds that often, and I really love them, and I want to paint them more. I just get caught up in so many other things that I want to paint, or commissions that I need to work on, but I definitely want to incorporate birds into more of my paintings, and I just think that they're so small and precious and cute. I actually have a newfound love for birds because I downloaded this birdsong app that tells me what species of bird is singing whenever I'm outside. So, you know, whenever I go out and hear a bird that I'm not sure what it is, I just record it, and the app tells me what it is most of the time. Ever since I got this huge ceramic palette with a wide mixing area, oh my gosh, I've been taking more time to mix colors, and I don't have to worry about the wrong colors mixing together and muddying everything up. I never thought a big palette could be so beneficial to me, but I guess I just didn't realize how tiny my other one was, and I just kept dotting more and more colors from my watercolor tubes onto the mixing area, so it was just really hard, and I was running out of space because I do have a lot of colors. But honestly, it's so much more fun to me now to play around with colors and mix up new ones when there's a bigger area to work with. So I got this one off of Amazon for a pretty good price. I think it was about $20. I could be wrong. It was a pretty good deal for like a heavy duty white ceramic palette, and I'll link it below if you're interested. Okay, I really didn't like how I painted the feathers on the top of her feet, or like the bottom of her body here. It just looked really out of place, but I don't know. I didn't like it. Let me know if you like that little addition. Isn't it just amazing how adding different values and shades just makes paintings come to life? I mean, some people can just paint 1 or 2 colors only and make a piece look so realistic because of the values. It's just crazy to me. It's amazing. So let me know what painting you're working on right now, if you are painting, or what you're doing. Are you doing something creative, or are you just laying down, relaxing, and watching this? It's really motivating for me to watch people paint, or to watch people doing things while I'm painting. I don't know, but more than likely, if you watch this, I'll probably be painting in real life too. So let me know if that motivates you like it does me. I can't stress enough how important it is to take your time and to really pay attention to your painting. Are the shadows dark enough? Are there midtones present? Are the highlights too light? Always analyze and ask yourself questions like that. And it's okay if you keep your highlights light whenever you're starting out, because you don't know, you aren't sure about some things yet. And say if you aren't sure about how dark a shadow should be, just slowly work your way towards that value, and maybe work on something else in the piece and come back to that shadow so that it's not too dark. I struggle with this a lot, but I'm learning to be more patient and really analyze what my painting needs, and I really think that will take your paintings to the next level. I'm finally finishing off the painting here with some opaque gouache paint, and I really like how this painting turned out. Don't forget to let me know what you're working on and if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again to Moss and Mochella on Instagram for letting me use your gorgeous photographs. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of my content. I have some big videos coming up, so stay tuned.